Cristiano Ronaldo, born Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal, is one of the most famous and successful footballers of all time. His incredible life story is a testament to his dedication, talent, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Cristiano Ronaldo was born into a humble family. His father, José Dinis Aveiro, was a kit man, and his mother, Maria Dolores dos Santos Aveiro, was a cook and cleaning woman. He began playing football at a very young age and quickly displayed exceptional talent. By the age of 12, he left his home in Madeira to join the Sporting Lisbon Academy in mainland Portugal. Ronaldo's rapid development in Sporting Lisbon's youth academy led to his professional debut for Sporting CP's senior team in 2002. His impressive performances caught the attention of scouts from top European clubs, and in 2003, he signed with Manchester United in a transfer deal worth £12.24 million, a record fee for a teenager at the time. At Manchester United, Ronaldo flourished under the guidance of Sir Alex Ferguson. He became known for his incredible speed, dribbling skills, and goal-scoring ability. During his 6-year tenure at the club, he won 3 English Premier League titles, the FA Cup, 2 Football League Cups, and the UEFA Champions League in 2008. Ronaldo's individual success was highlighted by his first Ballon d'Or award in 2008, which he won as the world's best player. In 2009, Cristiano Ronaldo transferred to Real Madrid for a then-world record transfer fee of €94 million. He continued to set records and achieve success, breaking numerous goal-scoring records in La Liga and the UEFA Champions League. Ronaldo won 4 Champions League titles with Real Madrid and became their all-time leading scorer. In 2018, Ronaldo transferred back to Manchester United, much to the excitement of fans. His career continued to thrive as he set more records and became the all-time leading goal scorer for both Manchester United and Portugal's national team. Ronaldo won additional Ballon d'Or awards in 2013, 2014, and 2016, solidifying his status as one of the greatest footballers ever. Ronaldo has been a key figure for Portugal's national team, with whom he has achieved significant success. He has represented Portugal in multiple European Championships and FIFA World Cups. In 2016, he captained Portugal to victory in the UEFA European Championship, Euro, and followed it up with victory in the 2019 UEFA Nations League. In 2021, Cristiano Ronaldo returned to Manchester United for a second stint, signaling his continued commitment to top-level football. His dedication to fitness and training has allowed him to maintain an incredibly high level of performance well into his 30s and 40s. Cristiano Ronaldo's life story is not just one of sporting achievement but also one of perseverance, hard work, and the pursuit of greatness. His dedication to his craft, both on and off the field, has made him an icon in the world of football and beyond.